So this is solve example 7 from coordinate geometry. So in this problem, it is given that a point is there, a point P is there. The coordinates of point P is given as -4 and 6. So x coordinate is -4 and y coordinate is given as 6. So this point P divides the line segment joining the points A and B. So A is a point whose coordinates are -6 and 10, whereas the coordinates of point B are 3 and -8. So these two are the points A and B and points of a line segment. A point P is there. You know the coordinates of point P are -4 and 6, whereas the coordinate of A is -6 and 10. The coordinate of B is 3 and -8. Now you don't know. It is given that P is dividing this line segment internally, but you don't know in what ratio it is dividing. So here M1 and M2 are the two unknowns. So you have to calculate the ratio. You have to calculate the ratio in which point P is dividing the line segment AB. But you must also know that this is a section formula. We have proved now that formula. That formula will be for internal division, but that is a section formula only. In section formula, there are two types of formula. First is the internal division. Second one is the external division. So both these are the formulas which corresponds to section formula only. Now here, what we will do, we will apply this internal division formula. So here this -4 is the x coordinate. Actually, you must recall this. You must recall this before doing this problem. So x coordinate will be m1 into x2 plus m2 x1. So here this formula you must recall before solving this problem. So here I don't know what is the ratio of m1 and m2, and this you have to find out. Is it clear? So what is the x coordinate of P? It is -4. So x coordinate of P is -4. So it will be m1 into x2. So m1 is unknown, x2 is 3, plus m2 into x1 is -6 upon m1 plus m2. Is it clear? And similarly, this for this y coordinate of point P is 6. 6 will be m1 into y2 is -8 plus m2 y1 is 10 upon. Now here first I will make use of this equation, then this equation. So here first I will make use of this first equation. These are the two equation which is as per internal division, which is for x and y coordinate of the midpoint. Not midpoint but point P. It is not a midpoint. If it will divide 1:1 ratio, then it will be called as a midpoint. So here I will solve first equation 1. So minus 4 will be multiplied by m1 plus m2 as per transpose, and right hand side will be 3m1 minus 6 m2. So minus 4m1 minus 4m2 is equal to 3m1 minus 6m2. Now m1 will be m1, like terms will be taken together. So it will be minus 4m1 minus 3m1 and minus 6m2 plus 4m2. So here minus 7m1 and minus 6 plus 4 minus 2m2. So here between minus 7 and m1 there is a multiplication sign, and minus 2 and m2 multiplication sign. So according to transpose, if m1 upon m2 is written, then it will be minus 2 by minus 7. That means m1 and m2 is the ratio is 2 by 2 is to 7. So this m1 will be 2 and m2 is 7. So but you must verify for this by using second equation also. So वो अभी करना पड़ेगा. तो सेकेंड इक्वेशन है 6 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 8m1 प्लस 10 टाइम्स ऑफ m2 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2. फिर ट्रांसपोज हो जाएगा लेफ्ट साइड में. 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय m1 प्लस m2 माइनस 8m1 प्लस 10m2. ये हो जाएगा 6m1 प्लस 6m2. अभी m1 और m1 वाले टर्म एक साथ कलेक्ट हो जाएंगे. 6m1 के साथ 8m1 आ जाएंगे ऐड होने के लिए, और 10m2 के साथ 6m2 आ जाएगा सब्ट्रैक्ट होने के लिए. क्लियर? So I have to rub this. So by using first equation, the ratio of m1 and m2 is computed as 2:7. और second equation से भी वही आना चाहिए 2:7. That means whatever calculation you have done, it is correct. अगर वो सेकंड इक्वेशन से सेम वैसे नहीं आ रहा 2:7, यानी कहीं तो भी आपने गड़बड़ी की है. तो ये 6m1 प्लस 8m1 14m1 आ जाएगा, और 10m2 माइनस 6m2 4m2 आ जाएगा ना. तो m1 के नीचे में m2 ट्रांसपोज होगा और 4 के नीचे में 14 ट्रांसपोज होगा. इसको और रिड्यूस कर सकता हूँ मैं बाय डिवाइडिंग इट बाय 2. सो 2 2 4, 2 7 14. सो यहाँ पर भी m1 और m2 का रेशियो आया 2:7. दैट मीन्स वॉट एवर रेशियो यू हैव कैलकुलेटेड, इट इज करेक्ट.